Step into the world of Orthodox Jews in Jerusalem, where the air buzzes with anticipation. 5 red heifers from Texas stir excitement, believed to fulfill ancient prophecies for the long-awaited Third Temple. Picture an ancient water ceremony at a Jerusalem temple, with processions and blessings echoing through time. On the sacred Temple Mount, a joyous marriage unfolds, symbolizing the fulfillment of biblical prophecies. Yet discussions of Armageddon add a universal touch, prompting reflection and change across societies in the face of a global rebellion against God's rule. In the heart of Jerusalem, a fervent anticipation fills the air among Orthodox Jews as they embark on a journey to rebuild the Third Temple. For these faithful individuals, the significance of this endeavor goes beyond mere construction. It is deeply rooted in their religious beliefs and the fulfillment of ancient prophecies. Recently, a peculiar event has stirred excitement in this community: the arrival of 5 red heifers from the vast plains of Texas. To many Orthodox Jews, this occurrence is seen as a divine sign, a fulfillment of prophecy, heralding the construction of the Third Temple. The red heifer, a rare and symbolically important animal in Jewish tradition, is believed to play a crucial role in the purification process required for the temple's rituals. As the community eagerly prepares for this monumental undertaking, they partake in ancient ceremonies at the old temple site in Jerusalem. One such ritual involves a water ceremony, where a procession of devout individuals gathers to witness blessings and symbolic acts. This ceremony, steeped in tradition and history, serves as a connection to the past while paving the way for the future Third Temple. In the midst of these spiritual preparations, an extraordinary event takes place: a marriage ceremony on the revered Temple Mount. This union is not just a celebration of love. It symbolizes joy and the fulfillment of biblical prophecies for those who believe in the imminent reconstruction of the Third Temple. The Temple Mount, considered sacred ground, becomes a witness to the intertwining of human bonds and divine promises. However, discussions about the rebuilding of the Third Temple often invoke the mention of Armageddon, a concept that transcends religious boundaries. Armageddon is portrayed as a global rebellion against God's rule, prompting reflection and change in societies worldwide. The anticipation of such a cataclysmic event serves as a stark reminder of the fragile nature of human existence and the need for spiritual awakening. As Orthodox Jews eagerly await the construction of the Third Temple, the red heifers from Texas symbolize more than just livestock. They represent the unfolding of a divine plan deeply rooted in the Scriptures. The ancient water ceremony, with its rituals and blessings, serves as a tangible link between the past and the future, reinforcing the sacred nature of the impending temple. The marriage ceremony on the Temple Mount is a testament to the intertwining of personal joy and collective faith. In the eyes of those who participate, this union not only marks the beginning of a new chapter in the lives of the couple, but also symbolizes a harmonious connection between earthly bonds and divine prophecies. Yet, amid the anticipation, the mention of Armageddon casts a shadow of introspection. The concept of a global rebellion against God's rule prompts individuals to reflect on their actions and societal structures. It becomes a catalyst for change, urging communities to reassess their values and align them with a higher purpose. In conclusion, the rebuilding of the Third Temple in Jerusalem holds immense significance for Orthodox Jews, marked by the arrival of red heifers, ancient water ceremonies, and symbolic marriages on the Temple Mount. These events are not isolated occurrences, but part of a larger narrative deeply ingrained in religious prophecies. As the community looks toward the future with anticipation, the mention of Armageddon serves as a universal call for reflection and change, transcending religious boundaries and challenging societies to reevaluate their spiritual foundations. As we conclude this journey into the realm of faith and prophecy, the anticipation for the rebuilding of the Third Temple lingers in the hearts of Orthodox Jews. The arrival of red heifers, the echoes of ancient water ceremonies, and joyous marriages on the revered Temple Mount all weave a tapestry of spiritual significance. The mention of Armageddon serves as a poignant reminder, transcending religious boundaries, urging societies to reflect and embrace change in the face of a universal call to align with higher principles.